Welcome, episode number 4, Stump Grinder 25004, wheel removal. So, I've been cutting it. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty hot still. And to cut off the pieces. That's a little oops. I'll fix that, no big deal. After a little research, there's a keyway in this wheel. So technically all I gotta do is unscrew it and knock the living crap out of it. And steaming, cooking hot. Pulling teeth. I got it apart. So this flange sits in here, like that, and the shaft goes in this way till the keyway and this ring. This ring moves too, but I'll leave it where it is so I know where to put the wheel exactly. Oh no, I gotta take this off because the bearing goes this way. This has to come off too. Alright, and then this ring sits here, like that. And when you put that ring here and you tighten this up, this flange presses itself in and locks the whole thing in place. Oops. Again, this is here, this goes against here, like that. This sits in this way, keyway, and I guess when you tighten the screws up, it presses it together and holds the wheel in place. I had to bang here a little bit, so it went a little bit. I grinded it smooth again, just on the edge. So the bearing sits here, but that's still enough meat for the bearing, no problem. I gotta weld these a little bit better. It's all loose. A little oops over here. I have to re-tap that probably, with all the goo in there. Well anyway, wheel is off. Ready for the bearings. Clean it all up, repaint it, looks like brand new. First coat.